see how the leaves have landed on my porch and discolored some of the planks here. So this is a composite deck. So I am going to mind the cars going by. Hopefully they're not too loud. Going to get my hose out and just spray this off. I'm going to use the strong fiber this morning. I can go to the extreme, but I don't think I'll need it. So I just want to make sure you folks have got the new way of putting in your floor mop fiber, so you don't cause stress on your mechanism down there. So you put one side in, you hit the open bar, put the other side in, and hit the close bar. So now, oh my gosh, look how easy that is. So if your composite deck is picking up some leaf color from this fall, just get out your mop. Take care.